want to show you what I got in the mail the other day from AIUITIO. Look at this name. 6 vowels and 1 consonant. AIUITIO? AIUITIO? Come on, guys. You gotta come up with a better name. If you just did Tio, it would be easier to remember. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. AIUITIO. How else can you say it? AIUITIO? Man, oh man. You guys pay me a couple of $1,000s, I'll come up with a name for you. Anyway, nice case. You open it up. It's got your instructions over here. Has your Nutsert collars, different sizes, and 200 pieces, M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10. Here's your main tool, the rivet nut tool. You would attach that to here depending on what size you needed. And then when you remove it, you screw it back out again. In here is the attachment you need to insert your Rivnut. So let's say you drilled out a hole. You need to put a new threaded bolt in there. This is the largest one they have. But basically, you rivet this in there, and then you can put your bolt into new fresh threads. So I'm not going to use these holes. Let's say I wanted to attach something to this cart. Get a drill, and we'll just put it in here for a second. Too small. Still too small. There we go. So here I have a 3/8 16 thread. Just going to try to install this myself. Pull this collar down. Screw the mandrel in here and put the cap on. Collar. Now we'll put the nutsert onto here. Kind of screw it on. And then once you have riveted in there, you can take it out this way. And now you have a perfectly threaded Rivnut here. And there you go. And now you can just take your bolt, drive it in there. Pretty cool, huh? So, pretty cool item, huh? Good thing to have in your garage if you're a renter like me, works on fabricating things. You just want to get a bolt into a hole nice and secure. This Rivnut Nutsert rivet tool, 16 inches with a 200-piece set with all the attachments. Other than the name, it's pretty handy to have around the garage. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested.